What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here. And yesterday we brought you the breaking news of the 170HX owners are going crazy over the HX 170 because of the firmware overclocking, cracking, whatever you want to call it, breakthrough to allow these 8 and 10 gigabyte cards to shoot up to 40 to 80 gigabytes in terms of memory, making them AI masters and also unlocking a whole bunch of Perl hash rate. So today I'm going to show you how to get that done fast and easy. All right, so I did get a DM from Jetski the other day for his miner for his Pearl pool, and within his miner, he has the unlocker available in it, which means you can just run your Hive OS rig or Linux rig, whatever, with all your GPUs at once and just unlock them all, like multiple rigs, everything. You know how to run Hive OS, click all and everything. You can do everything extremely fast, saving a lot of time. But here you can see, hey, new Pearlski miner can be used on any pool now and should give more hash rate with underclock. I will do more fine tuning tomorrow for all architects, and so it should also be used without underclock, as currently it's optimized for efficiency. It also auto unlocked the 170HX and gives it 165 terahash on Pearl here. So here you can see here's the 170HX and it's sitting here at 161, 161.27, 0.82. So rocking out. And now he's also working on the 90HXs. So that's pretty sweet here. So here is the GitHub, and we can see our latest version was released 4 hours ago with a hot fix of the broadened Hive OS compatibility checks prior unlock state. But that's pretty much it. Just like you would install any other miner, just install this thing and it will auto unlock your HX 170s. And then you can just turn off the miner and mine with anything else or do whatever else you want with it. This will auto unlock it for you, and then you're good. You don't have to continue to run the miner. You don't have to mine Pearl. You can then do other things. So hopefully this did help you out. I don't have any 170HXs to show you, but this is all you need for information is this right here. Download it, run it, and it will unlock for you. It's doing it all by itself. So nice, fast, easy video, guys, just to show you where to get it. I know some of you guys are asking where's the unlocker and stuff like that. Well, here is a version that should work for everybody out there, and it's extremely easy instead of running the boot unlocker and all that other stuff that you have to use for other programs. So hopefully this helped you out. Let me know down in the comment section if it did. And if you have 170HXs, I wish I had a few cards to test, but I don't. And it'll be interesting to see what the price of these cards do. It does look like some people from China are starting to list these things for $4,000, where other places you can still buy them for $400. So they're not selling for $4,000 or $5,000 yet, because you can still buy them and they're available for $400. So it'll be interesting to see how this whole thing plays out, if anyone's going to blow up their cards, not blow up their cards. Remember, it definitely comes down to Silicon Lottery. You may not really get any boost at all, depending on how bad your card actually is. That part we don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you for checking this out. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.